Okay, CYA.
Today we're going to show y'all how we make butter. Another option that you can use if you don't have fresh milk available to you is using the heavy whipping cream from the store, and it works great. In these glass jars, it's really easy to see the cream line. The amount of cream that you get depends on the cow. And here we're scooping the cream into the bowl, trying to not get the milk with it and just the cream. I got these ladles off of Amazon. We aren't too particular about getting every last bit of it. We leave a little bit in the jar and we just mix it with the milk and it makes it taste great. I'm now moving the cream over to the stand mixer and I add on the whisk attachment. We will then put the stand mixer on about medium because if you put it on high, it will splash all over your counter. Ask me how I know. Once it gets to about whipped cream consistency, you can speed it up a little bit. Alright, at this point you're going to strain the buttermilk from the butter solids. You can push it through the colander and try to get out as much as possible. I like to put the butter back in the stand mixer, it just speeds things along. You can strain off the rest of the buttermilk that's left in the bowl. Press and fold and try to get as much of the buttermilk out as possible. Now I bring the colander over to the sink and I use cool water because you don't want to melt your butter. And you try to get as much of that liquid out so you can press and fold and try to get all the buttermilk out because that is what will make your butter go bad faster. And that's what will make it mold, and you obviously don't want that. If you'd like to salt your butter, you would fold the salt into it at this point before putting it in some type of storage. We put our butter in a Pyrex bowl if we're going to be using it up pretty quickly. If I make a lot of butter and I want to store it more long term, we put it into this butter mold that we got off of Amazon. And don't throw that buttermilk away. You can put it in pancakes, biscuits, or quick breads.